Let's take a moment and check out the subwoofer control on Pioneer's DEH-X3700S. The first thing I want to do is switch the radio off. So I'm going to press and hold the source button here for a couple of seconds until the system is turned off. I still have my clock in the screen. I'm going to press in on the volume control, and we're going to go to the initial menu. Here's initial, and press in here. So right now I get to choose my rear speaker outputs and my rear RCA output, what type of output it'll be. I'm going to press in on the volume control, and right now my rear speaker output is set to full range, and my rear RCA output is set to subwoofer output. Okay, that'll allow me to use my rear RCA as a subwoofer output. If I roll over on the volume control, both the rear speakers and the rear RCA are set to the subwoofer output. And if I roll over one more time, both the rear speakers and the rear RCA are set to full range output. If you've chosen this setting, you don't get subwoofer controls in the audio menu. If you want subwoofer controls in the audio menu, you need to see subwoofer on the right hand side here for the RCA outputs. Okay, once you've made those settings, we're going to press the source button and go out to any of the sources and press in on the volume control, and we're going to go to the audio menu. Here's the audio menu, and we're going to roll over until we find the subwoofer output menu. Right now our subwoofer output is turned off. So press in on the volume control and the subwoofer output is turned on to its normal phase. Touch it one more time and subwoofer output is on in its reverse phase. If we touch it one more time, subwoofer output is turned off. So we want the subwoofer output turned on. We'll switch it on to its normal phase, and we'll go over to the next setting, which is subwoofer control. And please note that if the subwoofer control does not appear in this menu, it's because you have the subwoofer turned off in the other setting. We'll enter into the subwoofer control menu, and we can choose a crossover point for our subwoofer from 50 all the way up to 200 Hertz. We'll set this up at 100 Hertz for right now and press in on the volume control, and we have a wide range of boost or cut that we can add to our subwoofer output. Once we've made those adjustments, I can press in on the volume control and change my slope. Right now the slope is set at 24 dB per octave at a crossover frequency of 100 Hertz. I can also adjust that slope to 12 dB per octave. Once you've made your adjustments that sound good to you, you can just press the band button to escape.